Ready to uninstall DeepSeek AI from your device? Whether you're clearing space or just no longer using it, I'll show you how to completely remove it in just a few easy steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall DeepSeek AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap and hold the DeepSeek AI icon until a menu pops up or the icon starts to jiggle. Then tap on App Info option. And here you can see the uninstall option. You'll just have to tap on it in order to remove this app. Similarly, the next way to delete this app is go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in DeepSeek AI. Here tap on the app. Now in the app's details page, tap on the uninstall option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure that you want to uninstall this app, and if you're sure, tap on uninstall option. The app will now be removed from your device. And there you go, you've successfully uninstalled DeepSeek AI from your device. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.